to the crib, right where we gon' end up. Girl, sit back and have some more. Don't come and try to lay your own to the crib.
What happened? Should I left it in the sun? Should I have left it in the sun? I didn't want y'all to get burned, man. Y'all are gonna get burned like that.
Bravo, lobster and shrimp and a glass of Moscato for the girl, the student and a friend who's a model. Finish the whole bottle and we gon' do it big like this. Yeah, he was just practice. He ain't in your world, you can take him off your atlas. Girl, you on fire, can I be the one you match with? I give you the credit.
Get off the slide. I know you want to slide down that slide.
Show me where your tax is. Show me where your hat.
Oh, he's too big for that slide.
Maybe I can grab shit. If you ever come up with a question, you should ask it. Caught up on your ex still, I could get you past it. Yeah, your friends off the chest. What's the chance of this nigga being better than the rest? Just tell me, but you just gotta know where you're